Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing great. Welcome to my channel, Microsoft Project Simplified. My name is Dennis Mwaka. In this tutorial, we are still exploring the user interface in MS Project, and we are going to look at Backstage View. Backstage View is the view accessed from the File tab. This view contains customization and sharing options. Examples, we have info, export, share, etc. So let's jump into the Backstage view. Let's open a new project here. Okay, and let's go to the File tab, which is right here. When you click the File tab, you will see numbers of views down here. The first one is the Home. By clicking the Home view, it will take you to Home page, like what you see here. And the next one is the New. The New page displays option for a new plan, either from scratch or based on templates. So let's click and see. You can see that it's taking you to a new plan here, or based on templates. Okay, let's move on. We go to Open. By clicking Open, it will give you access to open recent projects or work plans. As you can see, this one, there are projects which I've worked on some days back. So when you click Open, you can have the option to open any of these. So let's move on. The next one is the Info. The Info page gives you access to the organizer and displays information about the active plan, like start and finish date, statistics, advanced properties. So let's click and see. Okay, this is the organizer, this one, and we have the project information. When you point here, you can see the start date. You can point here. This is the finish date, and this is the current date, and so on. We have save as, and then close, which is here. These are actually standard file management commands. They look straightforward. And the next one, we have print. We are skipping this. This is obvious. Actually, this is when you're done with your project and you want to save in PDF. This view can also lead you to saving it to PDF. So we go to print. The print page includes option for the print preview, page setup, and printing a plan. So when you click on it, you will see what you are seeing here on the screen. Here you have the page setup. This is the printer properties, and so on. We are dealing with blank project right now, but if it was like filled with data, you will see the plan on this side. But don't worry about that. We shall look at all those. Then let's go to share. When you click on it, this page includes option for Microsoft SharePoint synchronization and attaching a plan to an email message. That is, when you're done with your plan, you want to share it, you can go to share option and then you attach to email. Export is here. When you click on it, export page includes option for generating a copy of a plan into PDF or XPS. Another option for exporting the content, as you see here. Close, we have already seen. Account, this is the account. When you click on it, it will display for you the connected services and information about the project, just as the version information. You can access it from here. And the next one is the feedback. The feedback page takes you to comment, suggestion, and send option to Microsoft. Okay, let's go to option. Actually, there is a lot under option here. By clicking option, it will open for you the project option dialog box. And this dialog box actually contains several pages through which you can adjust a wide range of default settings and behavior in the project. So let's click. Okay. The first one is the general. Now, the general one will give you option for working with the project. All these dialog box you're seeing, they are option for adjustment depending on your needs. Then the next one is display. Display, it will change how project content is displayed on the screen. You can also see some few of them here. And the next one is schedule. Schedule will make you change the option related to scheduling, calendar, and calculation. All these, when you look at it, they are options where you can change when you're dealing with your project. We shall look at them. This one, proving, also change our project correct and format your text. That is when you want to do some kind of formatting. Save is obvious. We are not going to talk much about it. Language also, in Uganda, our official language is English. Not really talking much about this, but in any case, you want to change the language, but I don't see the reason for now. Let's skip and go to advanced. Advanced, this one will give you advanced option for working with project. There are several options here. You can see those small boxes. And yeah, when you're working, you can change. That is okay. And then save. Proofing, save. We have already seen that. I think I skipped that one. Customize ribbon. Customize ribbon. You can see this one, you can customize your ribbon. We have seen that in the previous video. And then customize your quick access toolbar. Also, we have seen that before. And add-ins. And then the Trust Center. So that is all about the project backstage view. Thank you very much for watching. Consider subscribing for this channel for more upcoming content.